Marc Jacobs is making moves 2018. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla, if this is your first time here. So in today's video, we are doing this glowy, bronzy summer look. I know, no lashes. Can you even believe that? No lashes. We are doing the natural vibe today. Also, I just got the brand new Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. I was the first one. So in this video, you will see me swatch them. It's a vibe. Like, this whole look is just a very dewy, glossy, everyday, easy to do vibe, and I am living for it. I was really excited when Marc Jacobs asked me to show you guys the brand new hydrating lip gloss sticks. They are so bomb. Let me just show you. They come in an applicator like this. When I first got them, I was like, ooh, they're lip gloss. No, look. So they come just like this. They're solid. You click it up and you apply it on the lips, and it's like, how would I describe this? It's like a hydrating lip balm, but as soon as it warms up on your lips, it turns glossy, and that's what I have on now. Which color is this? I have on, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm swatching them all later, so you guys gotta watch and see. Make sure with these, once you click them up, they stay up, so you only need to do one little turn because it's not coming back down. I just wanna let you guys know before you go in and buy it and try and twist it all the way up. You don't need to do that. This is luxury, okay? This is very luxury. You just need a little tiny bit. The Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks come in 8 colors. So in this video, after I do my makeup, you will see me apply all of the lip shades so you can see all the colors. I'm just excited. I'm the first one to get them. I'm like, oh, okay. Me? Oh, okay. So if you want to learn how to do this glossy look, if you want to learn how to do the beachy summer vibes and see the swatches of the brand new Marc Jacobs Enamored Lip Gloss Sticks, continue to watch. All right, no primer today, guys. I know. My primer kind of makes me matte and the foundation's matte, and I want my skin to look more on the natural, kind of glowy side today, so we're skipping the primer. I'm gonna start with the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. You guys already know. I went up a shade just because summer's coming. Whenever I say summer's coming, it makes me think of Game of Thrones. Winter's coming. Winter's coming. Except summer's coming. Yeah. If you watch Game of Thrones, you know what I'm talking about. But this is Y500, and I'm going to mix it with the Marc Jacobs Dewdrop. I love this. This is like a rose gold colored drop. And I like it because it's not like glossy. It's weird because it's almost like a matte drop, but it has shimmer in it, if that makes sense. So I'm going to apply Y500 on my brush. And I'm just going to do a drop of the Dewdrop. Well, that was probably a little more than a drop. You guys can see it right here. I want it to be dewy. I'm just applying this all over the face. This foundation is medium coverage, so it's perfect for those of you guys who like that natural look, who don't want full coverage and just want just a little something, something, you know? I'm going to Ibiza next week, so this is probably gonna be my color. I'm not even joking. I'm probably gonna go up a few shades. Ooh, look at how glossy. Nice and glossy. I look like super copper right now. I know, it looks dark, but don't worry. The concealer's gonna lighten it, don't you worry. All right, I'm gonna conceal with the Colourpop number 36 concealer, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. You guys know the drill. My nose, the forehead. And I'm gonna blend this out with my Beauty Blender. I always make sure the Beauty Blender is a little damp. It just, I don't know, gives that really nice airbrushed finish. And I'm also gonna conceal on top of my lids because we're not really doing an eyeshadow look today. So on days when I don't wear eyeshadow, I always put some sort of coverage on the eye. One thing I always like to do is carve out under my cheeks just with whatever's left in the sponge. So I don't like it to be super light here, but I'm just using, you know, whatever's left and just kind of creating a nice contour. All right, I'm gonna set my foundation with the Sacha Buttercup. I'm almost running out of it. That's why I'm over here like powder, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face and on my lids. And I'm really just kind of blotting the powder on. Because my hair is lighter, I'm gonna use a lighter brow powder. So this is Kat Von D Dark Brown. And I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows. I don't want them too crazy and sharp because this is a natural look. As you can see, I'm not using a ton of product. I'm kind of just moving around the product that's already in my hair because I don't want it, you know, too dramatic. All right, that's probably as good as they're gonna get. Next, I'm gonna apply the Sunkist Bronzer from JLo times Inglot. And I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks. I've kind of grown to like this bronzer. At first, I was like, oh, it's okay. But I do like it. I always put a little bronzer on my jawline here because, you know, we want to look snatched. Okay, snatched and cinched. All right, so this is my little trick. I use a fluffy blending brush and I just dip it into the, oh, what's this little hair doing? Look at get in formation. All right, back to what I was saying. I like to use my fluffy blending brush and I'll dip it in the bronzer, whatever bronzer I'm using, and I'll almost apply it just like a crease color, except it looks a little bit more natural, just a little bit. Sometimes I'll even just use a fluffy brush and just go over the entire eye, but I want just a slightly defined crease. Boom. See how it looks like you're not really wearing anything? It's my little natural eye trick. Next, I'm gonna go in with Extra Baggage liner from Dose of Colors. This is a brown liner, and I just love brown liner for the daytime. I think it really brings out your features without being too harsh. Like sometimes black is like, you know, it's like, every sound effect, just insert every sound effect right here. It's just dramatic. I'm using the same angled brush I use for my brows, and I'm just applying a thin layer of the liner. Pretty. All right, I'm gonna try this whole no false lash thing. And if I'm not feeling it, I'm gonna go ahead and just add lashes, okay? I'm not even afraid to admit it. That's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna start with the Lancome Primer. I swear by this. I just love how my lashes, well, my bottom lashes look with primer. We're gonna try it on the top today because I'm gonna see if my little struggle lashes even have a chance. Isn't this cute? I'm gonna start a trend with white mascara. Psych! All right, I'm gonna plump up my lashes with the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. Give these lashes a little bit of life. See what I'm talking about? Look at my bottom lashes. And then look at my top. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep it without lashes. We gotta switch it up. You know, we gotta do something natural. We gotta switch it up. All right, so next I'm gonna apply Boomin Highlight from my Colourpop collection. And I'm gonna put this all over. So I'm putting Boomin on the highest point of my cheeks, above my lip. I'm gonna put it on kind of like the corner of my forehead right here, right where it curves. Oh, glowy. I'm gonna use my finger and put a little bit on my nose also. All right, I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush and I'm gonna put that same highlighter right on the inside of my eye, just so we're highlighted everywhere. If you're ever in a rush, skip the eyeshadow and just highlight and contour all over the face. That's pretty much what I did. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Sundown Blush from Melt Cosmetics. This is just like a really neutral bronzy blush that I have been loving. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the cheeks here, kind of in between the bronzer and the highlight. I think not having lashes at first was like, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right, so this is where the fun begins. I'm gonna try on all 8 shades of the brand new Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. I know, I think I ran out of breath saying that. I was like holding my breath, I'm all Enamored, Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. No, but really we're gonna try on all the colors. I'm so excited because I'm the first one to have them. All right, so let the swatching begin. I like these. Which one was your guys' favorite? I honestly feel like I'm gonna be wearing, which one is this? Sweet Escape, the pink one. And which one we got? The nude. I really love this one. Sugar Sugar Bomb. Summer is definitely here, especially with these lip colors. Like I can't wait to go on vacation and just do this little natural bead with the glossy lips. I'm ready for it. Thank you guys for watching my glowy summer look. I hope you enjoyed all the swatches of the brand new Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Sticks. Let me know in the comments which color was your favorite. I feel like I know what y'all about to say. I just know it, but leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, strut and slay. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? I'm about to catch me slipping. All right, so this is, oh, I look so bronzy. I'm obsessed. They're bomb. Ooh, gotta quench that thirst. Oh, this is cute too. Dang, these are nice. Right here. Ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. No, I'm not, I'm ashy. Vibes. I don't even know what else to say. It's a vibe, you know? These hydrating, I'm loving it. I'm loving it.